guys, welcome back to Rochelle TV, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make another smoothie in a bowl. Different ingredients. Our mangoes here, a banana, we have some cashew nuts, some coffee, some ginger, some ice, and vanilla yogurt this time. So let's get started. So we are going to start mixing our ingredients in the blender. Ginger, there we go, and also lots of bananas and mangoes, but I did put this in the freezer for about 2 hours, so it helps when the fruits are frozen. And our yogurt, and there we go. Time to blend. So here I'm going to crush the cashew nuts. So guys, these are the toppings for our smoothie. These are the ground cashew nuts, some bananas, and some mango. You just save a little bit of the ingredients that you use just to put at the top to have that extra crunch. So let's do this. There we go. That's enough. And there you have it, guys. Our smoothie in a bowl is done. Alright, thank you so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more videos. See you next time. Bye.